Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, out of the 70 million persons that participated in PAWS, only 7 million are remaining. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to perform the PAWS latest task. Firstly, let's go to the PAWS mini app. So I'm going to click on it right there and wait for it to load. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video. Of course, if you find this video helpful, join our WhatsApp community. That's the community that I showed you earlier on in the video, and participate in every task. Of course, I'll be dropping a lot of updates in the group, and if you have any issues, you can also DM any of the admins to actually resolve the issue. If it cannot be resolved, of course, I will find a way to contact other persons who can do it for you. So firstly, what you have to do is you go to earn to check if you have any unclaimed things there. Basically, you have to be checking this. Of course, you can see the task here is find me. So to complete this task, of course, click on start. So choose your default browser. I'm going to be using Chrome browser. Of course, also I would like to say, if you have not joined the Dr. AI mini app yet, Dr. AI app, this is a huge project with a total supply of 100 million, meaning that it's going to perform very well. Use the link in the description that I'll be dropping. Of course, join and of course participate. Use the referral code. Once it loads up, you will now go to claim. Okay, you go to claim. I don't know what it's copying. Of course, you go to claim and then tap on the PAWS logo. So once you do that, you go back to the Telegram mini app and then refresh. Once you do that, go to the Telegram mini app and refresh. So wait for it to load up. It's taking a lot of time. So once you have done that, click on the PAWS logo on the website. What you have to do now is go to this earn and go to limited tax and claim your 5,000 PAWS. So once you have done that, you can see my balance have actually increased. So let me just refresh. My balance have actually increased. So basically, that's just how to complete the task. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you on the next one.